Oh, good cards equal bad cards. Go to you. You should just scoop already. Motor. I need to play some like pump up music. Pump up music. That's the name of the song, by the way.
Hey.
I don't care. Go ahead. Sure. I can see you. Sure. You think that scares me?
Oh yeah, like it's already interesting.
Obviously. I don't want to waste my own rabbit. Oh wait, I can chain.
You can chain hit.
Yeah, that's fine. Jew. 1 second, by the way. I didn't think. Let's see, I got a heavy storm in hands. Yeah, I'm on a hook. Here's nice. Yep. Whoa, no way. You're stealing your convocation? Yeah. I'm drunk as hell, can't you tell? A hotel with 2, there's a squad I'm at. Got me in a train, we take off more pants.
Shut up!
I bet you heard this one. Girl, where you doing? Got me in a train. Ever heard No Hands?
Yes. Shut up.
Come on. Sure, you sure? Yeah, this one sucks. One per turn by dying. Dying. Some crazy stuff. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Judge?
Normal tribute?
Normal tribute. Was that normal summon?
No, because like this is special tribute. That's why.
That was a normal summon right here?
Yeah, that's my normal summon.
Oh, I thought you already did it. Yeah, it sucks.
So what I want to do?
Probably. Cards hand? 1. You have 1 card hand? Why'd you do it that way?
Because I was hoping to do leave off the second one.
Summon? Level 3s? Oh, what a bitch.
Yep.
Yeah, you know.
So 24 and 24.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that 1,000? Yeah. Can he go back to 19?
If you book them.
Yes. Are you Sony on there?
There you go.
Are you selling my cards? Obviously. I'll use the effects and play. Take what, 4? I'll solve it.